The next part says show sorts the activity in ascending alphabetical order. So it's just simple ascending order of activities. Go to activities field and put it into ascending order. Now save and run. Okay, now 39. Save this data in a form which can be imported into a document. So just before we move to the next step, make sure you make a report of this. To make the report, just create report widget, all fields, next, it didn't mention it should be portrait or landscape, so next, and just preview the report. Okay, I won't be doing because I already did it, and it will appear like this. Okay, now heading is the most important part here. I inserted this heading personally. It will display query 2 here, but it's important that you insert a heading. After you have done this, just close your query 2, close it, close it. And the next part says save this data in a form which can be imported into a document that you have saved in step 29. So the document that we were doing previously, we should import this query as a form of table in that document. To do this, we'll first need to export it to a Word file. Go to a Word file and select the folder you want it to be saved in. So choose my folder and save, and then OK, close. Now the database part is finished, access part is finished. Let's move to our the file that we have just exported. It will look like this. Our query will look like this. Now just select everything, and right click, or it is already inserted as a table, I guess, here in 2013. So go to your design, maybe here the design, and select this. And if you are having problems like this, right click, autofit is the best option. Autofit to condense will split like this. In 2007, you know what will happen? The table will not be there. So to do this, you'll just have to select all the text, right click, or maybe go to insert and insert the table, convert text to table. You will select this option and it will all convert the records to a table. Select this and it will display it as a table, and if it does not fit, right click and autofit to contents. After you have done this, just copy this table, and go to your Word document. It says that it should be pasted after the paragraph which is even the most demanding. So Control F to search even the most demanding. Yes, after this we have to paste the table, so enter, Control V, and there you will have the table, as you can see. So previously, if you remember what I did, I just pressed enter and I brought it to the next column, but do not do that, okay, because when you insert the table, after that it will already go to the next column, and if you just press enter here, backspace, it will be near the last paragraph. So there you have it. Now let's just see what else it says. Make sure there are all the required fields and labels are fully visible, and there is a single 11-point line spacing above and below the extract. So all labels are fully visible, no problems at all. So next thing you have to do is make our 11 points line wide above and below it. There is already one. As I press enter, it should already be one. Says there is one line above and there is one line below. So just save your data Save the extract. Let's go spell check and proofread the document, which you do not need. It's just rechecking your document. Make sure that tables do not overlap 2 columns or pages. Paragraphs with borders are not split over the 2 columns or pages that we have done. Bulleted lists are not split over the 2 columns. Let's check about bulleted lists. Are they split or not? Where are the bulleted lists? They should be here. Yes, they are not split up at all. And it says that there are no windows or orphans, there are no blank pages. Make sure all formatting instructions. Save and print the document. Just save it and print the document if needed. Okay, there is no need for any other um, addition. So just print it and see how it will look. It will look like this. Okay.